안녕하세요. Aans Hangeul에 온 것을 환영하다. Hello everyone and welcome to Aans Hangeul. So before starting today's video, I just want to talk you about three things. The first thing is that it will take some time for you to learn goodbye. The video will come very soon. And the second thing is that in the previous video that we used the word annyeong and I put a hyphen between them. It's just to understand the pronunciation. That is an and nyong, annyeong. But when you chat and all, you are not supposed to write the hyphen. Okay, you can simply write annyeong, simple annyeong. But if you are writing in your Korean notebooks or journals, you should write the hyphen so that your pronunciation does not get wrong. And the third thing is that I have started my Insta account, that is Aans Hangeul with the same name, and I put all the verb of the day that I put in these videos and other Korean activities and facts and all I will put there. So please follow my page for extra learning. So that's all. And today's verb of the day is hada. Hada means to do. When you are doing something, you are drawing, and when you say let's do it, so the word to do means hada in Korean. Hada, that's all. So in this video we are going to learn how to introduce ourselves. Okay, we have learned how to say hello, but the second thing is that you have to learn how to introduce yourself. When you meet somebody for the first time, you can say nice to meet you, and how to say that in Korean is 만나서 반갑습니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. It means nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Or you can say 처음 뵙겠습니다. 처음 뵙겠습니다. 처음 뵙겠습니다. It means it's pleasure to meet you. It's pleasure to meet you. So the two words are 만나서 반갑습니다 or 처음 뵙겠습니다. 처음 뵙겠습니다. Although they are very similar in meaning, but 처음 뵙겠습니다 literally means first time to see you. First time to see you, and sounds very much formal than 만나서 반갑습니다. So it may be used when you are meeting somebody for the first time. You must say 처음 뵙겠습니다, and it sounds much formal than 만나서 반갑습니다. Okay. After saying nice to meet you, it's time for you to introduce yourselves. So I am going to use the name Robert for introducing myself. So the first sentence can be Robert입니다. 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 And the second sentence that we can use is Robert라고 합니다. Robert라고 합니다. Robert라고 합니다. These two sentences literally means I am Robert, but we are actually not using I in this sentence because it is obvious that you are speaking for yourself. You are introducing yourself. You will not introduce others with like this. So the I pronoun is generally omitted when you will introduce yourselves. So because it is really obvious that you are introducing yourselves. So it will be Robert입니다 or Robert라고 합니다. But I usually prefer to say the first sentence Robert입니다 because it's really simple. So these are the two sentences that you can introduce yourselves. When you are referring to the person you are addressing, suppose I'm talking to someone and I'm addressing myself and you have to say you, so that pronoun is generally omitted because that is obvious that you are talking to that person, and that person who wants to ask, suppose after introducing, and the person wants to ask that are you Robert, so it will be Robert ni, simple ni, Robert ni. And And when you're asking a question that suppose are you Robert, so only the raise of tone will be there. The tone will be raised and it will be Robert ni, and it will be a casual form because you have introduced yourselves before also, so you know each other. And suppose the person is asking are you Robert, so the person will say Robert ni, and that's the casual form. So it's time to take a quick recap. So to say nice to meet you means boep-get-seum-ni-da, and it's pleasure to meet you or it's first time to see you mean boep-get-seum-ni-da, and when you introduce yourselves it will be Robert-im-ni-da, or the second sentence can be Robert-rago-ham-ni-da, Robert-rago-ham-ni-da. And when you are asking a person are you Robert, so it will be Robert ni, and I have told you the pronouns I and you will be generally omitted because it's generally obvious that you are talking to that person, you are referring to that person, and that person is also speaking to you. So these are the words that we have learned today. Hope you will remember them. And also the verb of the day, that is hada, means to do. Hope you are enjoying my videos, and thank you so much for standing till the end of this video. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my videos so you can learn some certain sentences in the future. And we will also learn how to write Korean alphabets, which is very, very interesting. So please stay tuned with us. Thank you so much.